Right now, as you're watching this video, someone just made their first $1 million using AI. Not next year, not next month, today. And here's what's shocking. They're using the exact same tools I'm about to show you. Tools that 99% of people are completely ignoring. Listen, I've spent the last 18 months studying millionaires who've built their wealth through AI, and I've discovered something disturbing. There's a massive wealth transfer happening right now. Money is flowing from those who ignore AI to those who embrace it. And this transfer is accelerating faster than anything we've ever seen. You have exactly 47 seconds to decide which side you want to be on. Because by the end of this video, you'll know the 9 AI tools that are literally printing money for ordinary people. But here's the catch. This window won't stay open forever. See, most people think AI is just a fancy toy. They play around with ChatGPT, maybe generate a funny image, and that's it. Meanwhile, a small group of entrepreneurs are using specific AI tools to build empires. I'm talking about people who went from struggling to make ends meet to generating 6- and 7-figure incomes, all because they knew which AI tools actually matter. The difference. They understand that not all AI tools are created equal. Most are distractions. But the 9 I'm about to reveal? These are money-making machines. And I need to warn you about something. The AI landscape is changing so fast that tools that work today might be obsolete tomorrow. So what you're about to learn has an expiration date. The early adopters are already making millions. The question is, will you join them? Or will you watch from the sidelines as they pull further ahead? Tool number 1, AI website empire builders. Let me tell you about Anna, a single mom from Ohio. 3 months ago, she was working 2 jobs just to pay rent. Today, she's running a 7-figure web development agency. Her secret? She discovered that while everyone else was struggling to build websites the old way, she could use AI to create professional websites in minutes, not months. Tools like 10Web and Durable have completely revolutionized website creation. But here's what most people miss. These aren't just website builders. They're business opportunity generators. Think about this. In 2023, the average custom website cost businesses $15,000 to $30,000. That same website can now be created with AI in under 10 minutes for less than $50. Do you see the opportunity here? Anna started charging clients $2,000 for websites that took her 15 minutes to create. She reinvested her profits, hired virtual assistants to handle client communication, and scaled to 50+ clients per month. The math is staggering, $100,000 monthly revenue with 95% profit margins. But here's the kicker. These AI tools don't just build websites. They optimize for SEO, generate copy that converts, and even create compelling visuals. You're not just building websites, you're building money-making machines for your clients. The opportunity is massive, but it's also temporary. As more people discover these tools, the market will saturate. Right now, you're still early. 6 months from now, you might be too late. Tool number 2, the viral content money machine. Simon was a struggling fitness trainer making $30,000 a year. Then he discovered Opus Clip and everything changed. Within 8 months, he built a fitness empire worth $1.3 million. Here's how. Short-form content is the new gold rush. But creating viral content traditionally requires teams of editors, thousands of dollars, and countless hours. Simon found a shortcut. Opus Clip takes any long-form video and automatically creates dozens of short-form clips optimized for virality. But Simon didn't just use it for his own content. He built a business around it. He started reaching out to businesses and personal brands, offering to turn their existing content into viral short-form videos. His pitch was simple. Give me your boring long-form content and I'll turn it into content that gets millions of views and thousands of customers. He charged $500 per long-form video, turning it into 10 to 15 short clips. With Opus Clip, this process took him 20 minutes. He was processing 40 videos per week, generating $20,000 monthly while working just 4 hours a day. But Simon didn't stop there. He white-labeled the service, hired virtual assistants, and scaled to a team of 15 people. His content creation agency now generates over $200,000 monthly, and it all started with one AI tool. The beauty of Opus Clip isn't just its efficiency, it's how it identifies the most engaging moments in your content. The AI understands what makes content go viral better than most human editors. Tool number 3, the email empire builder. ChatGPT. Writer might seem simple, but it's making people rich in ways you wouldn't expect. Let me tell you about David, who built a $500,000 per year consulting business using nothing but this Chrome extension. David realized that most entrepreneurs waste 3-4 hours daily on email. He started offering email management services to busy executives and business owners. But instead of manually writing emails, he used ChatGPT Writer to craft perfect responses in seconds. He charged clients $2,000 per month to manage their email communications. Each client took him roughly 30 minutes daily to service. With 25 clients, he was generating $50,000 monthly while working just 12 hours per week. But here's where it gets interesting. David discovered that the AI-crafted emails were actually getting better response rates than human-written ones. The AI understood psychology, persuasion, and professional communication better than most people. He expanded his service to include sales email sequences, customer support responses, and partnership outreach. His clients were seeing 300% improvements in email response rates, leading to millions in additional revenue for their businesses. David's secret wasn't just using AI. It was positioning himself as an email optimization specialist, rather than just someone who uses AI. His clients pay premium prices because they see results, not because they understand the technology. Tool number 4, the customer service cash cow. Tidio's AI Lyro turned customer service from a cost center into a profit center for smart entrepreneurs. Let me show you how. Jennifer owned a small e-commerce store struggling with customer service costs. She was spending $8,000 monthly on customer support staff, and response times were still terrible. Then she implemented Tidio's AI Lyro and everything changed. The AI handled 85% of customer inquiries instantly. But here's what's revolutionary. It didn't just answer questions, it actively sold products. The AI was trained on her entire product catalog and could make personalized recommendations, handle objections, and even process sales. Her conversion rate increased by 340% because customers got instant, helpful responses 24/7. But Jennifer didn't stop at using it for her own business. She saw a bigger opportunity. She started offering AI customer service implementation as a service to other e-commerce businesses. Her proposition was simple. Let me install an AI system that will handle 85% of your customer service while increasing your sales by 300%. She charged $5,000 for implementation plus $1,000 monthly management fees. Within 6 months, she had 40 clients generating $40,000 in recurring monthly revenue. Her total time investment? About 2 hours per client for setup and 30 minutes monthly for optimization. The AI wasn't just saving businesses money, it was making them money. And Jennifer was getting paid handsomely to be the bridge between AI capability and business results. Tool number 5, the document intelligence goldmine. DocYouAsk is creating millionaires in professional services, and most people have no idea. Let me tell you about Robert, a lawyer who went from making $80,000 annually to over $1.2 million using this one tool. Legal document review traditionally takes hundreds of hours. Robert discovered he could use DocYouAsk to analyze complex legal documents in minutes instead of days. But instead of just using it to work faster, he used it to work smarter. He started offering rapid legal document analysis services to other law firms and corporations. While competitors were quoting 2-3 weeks for document review, Robert was delivering results in 24 hours. His secret? DocYouAsk could analyze thousands of pages and answer specific questions about contracts, compliance issues, and legal risks instantly. Robert would upload documents, ask targeted questions, and generate comprehensive reports that would have taken teams of lawyers weeks to produce. He charged $10,000 for document analysis that took him 2 hours to complete. Word spread quickly in the legal community about the lawyer who could analyze complex deals overnight. Robert scaled by hiring recent law graduates, training them on his AI-powered process, and expanding into multiple practice areas. His firm now handles document review for Fortune 500 companies, generating millions annually while maintaining just 8 employees. The key insight? Robert didn't replace expertise with AI, he amplified it. The AI handled information extraction and analysis while Robert provided strategic interpretation and recommendations. Tool number 6, the Microsoft Millions. Microsoft Copilot is the productivity multiplier that's creating millionaires in corporate America. Lisa discovered this when she started her business consulting firm focused on AI-powered productivity transformation. Lisa realized that most businesses were sitting on massive productivity gold mines but didn't know how to access them. She developed a system using Microsoft Copilot to transform how companies operate. Her service included Copilot implementation, custom workflow design, and employee training. She charged $25,000 per implementation for mid-size companies and $100,000 plus for enterprise clients. But here's what made Lisa's approach genius. She guaranteed measurable results. Companies would see 40–60% productivity improvements within 90 days, or they didn't pay. Copilot was doing the heavy lifting, automating Excel analysis, creating PowerPoint presentations, transcribing and summarizing meetings, managing calendars, and handling email workflows. But Lisa packaged it as a complete business transformation solution. She showed companies how one employee could now do the work of 3, how meetings became actionable with automatic summaries and task assignments, how reports that took days to create were now generated in minutes. Lisa's firm now employs 35 consultants and generates over $8 million annually. They're booked solid for the next 18 months because businesses are desperate for the competitive advantages that AI productivity can provide. Tool number 7, the content creation empire. Adobe Firefly is creating fortunes in the creative industry, but not in the way you'd expect. Meet James, who built a $3 million creative agency using Firefly as his secret weapon. James discovered that most businesses need constant visual content but can't afford traditional photography and design costs. Stock photos look generic, custom photography is expensive, and hiring designers is time-consuming. Firefly changed everything. James could create photorealistic product images, lifestyle photos, and custom graphics in minutes instead of days. But instead of competing on price, he competed on speed and customization. His agency offered 24-hour custom visual content creation for e-commerce businesses, restaurants, and service providers. While competitors were quoting weeks for photo shoots and design work, James was delivering custom content within 24 hours. The AI could generate product photos in any environment, create lifestyle images with diverse models, and even modify existing photos to match brand requirements perfectly. James charged premium prices because he could deliver what clients needed faster than anyone else. He scaled by training a team of AI creative directors who could guide Firefly to create exactly what clients envisioned. His agency now serves over 200 clients monthly, generating content that would have required millions in traditional production costs. Tool number 8, the automation architect. Zapier's AI features are creating millionaires in the automation space. Kevin discovered this when he started building business automation blueprints for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Kevin realized that most businesses lose thousands of dollars monthly due to manual processes and human error. He developed AI-powered automation systems that could handle everything from lead management to customer onboarding to financial reporting. His approach was brilliant. He created industry-specific automation packages, a $15,000 real estate automation system that handled lead capture, follow-up sequences, contract management, and client communications. A $25,000 e-commerce automation system that managed inventory, customer service, marketing campaigns, and financial reporting. The AI component made these automations intelligent, not just mechanical. They could adapt to different scenarios, learn from patterns, and make decisions that previously required human intervention. Kevin's automation systems were generating 500–800% ROI for his clients within 90 days. Business owners were making more money while working fewer hours, and they were happy to pay Kevin $50,000 or plus for systems that essentially ran their businesses automatically. He now leads a team of 20 automation specialists, generating over $6 million annually by helping businesses eliminate repetitive tasks and human error through intelligent AI automation. Tool number 9. The Voice Revolution Fortune 11 Labs is creating millionaires in the voice and audio content space. Maria discovered this opportunity when she started her AI voice content agency. Maria realized that most businesses needed voice content for training videos, advertisements, audiobooks, and customer service. But professional voice actors were expensive and time-consuming to coordinate. 11 labs could clone voices, create professional narration, and generate voice content in multiple languages instantly. Maria started offering complete voice content solutions to businesses and content creators. Her packages included voice cloning for CEOs who wanted to narrate their own training materials, multilingual voice content for global companies, and custom voice characters for brands wanting unique audio identities. She charged $5,000 for voice cloning and setup, plus $500 per hour of content generated. What would have cost businesses $10,000 plus in professional voice actor fees, Maria delivered for a fraction of the cost in a fraction of the time. Maria's agency now produces voice content for Fortune 500 companies, online educators, and media companies. She's generating over $150,000 monthly by being the bridge between AI voice technology and business needs. The millionaire mindset shift. Here's what separates the AI millionaires from everyone else. They don't see AI tools as shortcuts. They see them as business amplifiers. They're not trying to replace human value. They're trying to multiply it. Every person I've mentioned started with the same realization. AI tools become profitable when you use them to solve expensive problems for other people, not just to make your own life easier. The millionaires understand that we're in the early stages of the biggest business transformation in human history. They're positioning themselves as the bridge between AI capabilities and business needs. But here's what keeps me up at night, and what should concern you too. This AI advantage is temporary. Right now, most businesses don't understand these tools. Most entrepreneurs are still figuring out email. Most people think AI is science fiction, but that's changing fast. Every month, more people discover these tools. Every quarter, the competition increases. Every year, the advantage diminishes. The people making millions with AI today are the ones who moved when everyone else was hesitating. They're the ones who saw the opportunity while others saw the complexity. 6 months from now, using AI to build websites won't be revolutionary, it'll be expected. Using AI for content creation won't be innovative, it'll be standard. The massive profit margins exist because we're still early. So here's your choice. You can bookmark this video, tell yourself you'll watch it later, and continue doing business the way you've always done it. You can wait until AI becomes mainstream and compete with everyone else for smaller margins. Or you can recognize that you're witnessing the birth of a new economy. You can choose to be among the first wave of AI millionaires instead of watching them from the sidelines. The tools are here. The opportunities are massive. The only question is whether you'll act while the advantage still exists. Because in 12 months, there will be 2 types of entrepreneurs. Those who embraced AI when it mattered, and those who wished they had. Which one will you be? The choice is yours, but the window is closing. The AI millionaire revolution is happening with or without you. The question is, are you ready to join it? If you're serious about building wealth with AI, subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'm releasing a complete AI business blueprint next week that shows you exactly how to implement these tools step by step. But I'm only sharing it with subscribers who are committed to taking action. And if this video opened your eyes to the AI opportunity, share it with someone who needs to see it. The AI revolution is bigger than any one person, but the rewards go to those who move first. Your millionaire roadmap starts now. The only question is how fast you're willing to drive.